Welcome to Create Your Own Butter. You know, we could do it this way with a churn like they used to do way back in the old days. But just for fun, how about we get some heavy whipping cream and a mason jar? It's fun this time of year to get ready for the holidays, and I thought it'd be great to get ready for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday to make our own butter. So with your clean, very tightly lid jar, I'm using a mason jar in this case, go ahead and pour your heavy cream. I had a 16-ounce mason jar, so I went for halfway, which is the 8 ounces. You can adjust the amount. Make sure the cap is tightly sealed on your mason jar and start shaking like crazy. And shaking and shaking. After a few moments, you might find, the sound is different. Keep shaking. The sound sounds more like a blob. I can feel it. It feels more like a blob in here. This is about 4 minutes in of shaking. Yeah, my arm's a little tired. That's okay. If you have another friend nearby, pass it over. I decided to take a peek and see what was going on. I can tell that the fat molecules are starting to collect and bunch up together. It's still pretty liquidy though. I decided I wanted to take a quick peek, and it's still nothing, so still got some shaking to do. Be patient, this takes time. It's about the 14-minute mark, and I'm noticing as I shake, it's not as sloshy. Let's open it up and check it out. I'm noting that the color has changed. It's more yellow. The liquid has separated out. And you know what? Those fatty molecules from the milk fat have connected together with all that shaking. They made friends and formed a solid. There you have it, friends. You can refrigerate this butter for about a week, but it's a lot of fun to try and experiment, isn't it? Happy Thanksgiving. And why not get your piece of bread out? Bon appetit.